Hello everyone, good morning. I welcome you all on my channel Knowledge Spark. On this channel I upload videos related to the latest technologies every week. So please subscribe this channel to get the notification of my newly uploaded videos. So let's start with today's agenda. Today's agenda is nifi introduction, installation, practical implementation with file to file transfer and API to file transfer with the scheduling. So if we talk about the introduction, so nifi is an orchestration tool to automate the flow of data along with the processing between the different systems. So main purpose is to move the data within the distributed system. So if we talk about from file to file to S3, file to Snowflake or vice versa. And for the installation part, you can go to the Google and write like download nifi. So nifi download and open the first link, the Apache Software Foundation. Let me show you. So you will get this kind of interface. So let me show you from starting from here. Go to here. So you can download any one binaries and you can extract that binary. After that you will get the files like nifi bin. So go here and go inside bin, then double click on run nifi. After double clicking this run nifi, wait for 10 to 15 minutes because it will take time to configure the settings to run the nifi on your local system. So if you want to run the nifi on your local system with the local host, so wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After double clicking you will get such kind of CMD. Then you can open the URL in the web browser like http localhost 8080 nifi. So from where you can get this URL link. So this you can frame from the one file. We have nifi properties. So let me show you where is the file. Nifi properties. Go inside this nifi. Here nifi configuration. Go inside nifi properties. Edit. So here you can search in the whole file port because mainly you need the port. So we will get nifi.wave.http.port 8080. So you can make use of this port and you can frame your URL like http://localhost:8080/nifi. After that /. So once you will hit this URL, let me show you in web browser after 10 or 15 minutes, you will get this kind of UI. So let me stop all this. Already stopped. So let me remove the things. Let me show you from the start. So first I will show you file to file transfer. For that, as I show you file to file transfer, so we need processor like file to file. So we can get the getfile processor. Okay, standard library or processor you can see. Then you need one putfile processor or library. So you can add both and you can configure your respective path like from the source to destination. So here double click on this and configure the properties. So for me, go to content, nifi introduction. So input is my source of the files. So here I have two files. Okay, and no need to do anything because we are not scheduling the files and no other commands is required. That's it for this. And for the put file. So put file is our last process. So here we can give this settings, failure or success settings, automatically terminate the relationship. Scheduling is not required, so I will show you the scheduling in the next part. And output directory. So we have one output directory for the same. So these files will move to that output directory. So right now if you see it's null, don't have any data here. Okay, and I have configured the primary settings. That's it. And then you will get this arrow mark connector, so you can connect both the processes. Okay, then you can right click and start the process, and you can see your results. So you have both the files in the, so both the files move from the input to the output. So this is the file to file transfer. If you want to transfer the things from the API, you want to read the API data and to store somewhere, so you can do the same thing. So for that you need some URL, random user or random. So let me change for, okay, keep it 10, no problem, because I'm not showing you the data, I'm just storing here. So you can remove this get file, but put file we require, but get file we don't require. So we can stop this. And one more thing I want to show you here, if you want the put file to be retained, like, so minimum is show subscription, keep the source file, so you can make it true. So your key source file will be there, it will not move from, it will be on both the places, like input file and the output file. Let me cancel this. I can remove this, and I can add one more processor, invokehttp. So it will invoke the HTTP, and I can give the primary settings. So get and the URL. Yeah, I have copied that URL. So you can give, and you can schedule this like after this much of and 2 seconds or 0 seconds. And properties settings. So this is the final. So automatically terminate relationship we have to provide. Failure, no entry, original, response, retry, extract, etc. That's it. I don't think we need any other information, and we can connect both the processes. Okay. For relationship, you can give this and no other settings you need to provide. Okay. If you right click and start this process, so you will see random files you will get in the output folder. Let me check. Started this. Okay. Not sure I hit what issue here? Now we are getting the files here. See, every 2 seconds we are getting new files here. So that's for today. And if you face any challenge while practicing, please write it in comment box. I will try to reply it and fix the error. I hope it provides you the basic understanding of nifi. In next session we will cover nifi with Apache streaming. If you really like the content, kindly consider showing your support while liking the video, sharing it and subscribing to my channel. Let's meet in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.